Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix Chatgpt access denied. So if you're facing this issue for some reason, so I'll show you how you can fix that. Now first of all, if you have already installed the application inside your mobile phone, so the step one is just complete this, close this app completely, remove it from your history list and restart the application completely and check if your issue is fixed or not. Now let's say if you're still facing the issue, so what you can do is just go to the App Store or Play Store in your mobile and just search here ChatGPT. And what you need to do is just make sure that you have the latest version of ChatGPT. As you can see, like I have an update. So if you have an update, make sure to download the latest version of ChatGPT and try after that if your issue is fixed or not. But let's say that you're still facing the issue. So what you can do is just remove the application, or you can say uninstall the application completely from your mobile phone. And once you delete the application, reinstall it from the App Store or Play Store. And after that, hopefully your issue will be fixed. So make sure to try all these solutions and one of them will work for you for sure. So that is all about how you can fix that.